Hey guys, it's Katie with JLT, and today we're going to install our cold air intake that fits the 2010 to 2014 Shelby GT500. This is going to be a fun one, so let's get started. So before you get started on the install, you're going to need to make sure that your vehicle is tuned. You cannot drive this after this is installed without a tune. So next you're going to loosen this hose clamp, remove this quick connect fitting, disconnect here, and the mass airflow sensor. So you're going to loosen these two hose clamps, and then you can remove the intake tube from the vehicle. So there's only one bolt that holds the stock box to the vehicle. It should be right here, so you'll just have to remove that and the grommet, and then you can remove the airbox. So now we're going to transfer the mass airflow sensor from the stock airbox to the JLT tube. Install the coupler and clamps onto the intake tube, and you'll want to mount the clamps in this orientation. So the grommet should be transferred to this location, and then you can install it into the vehicle. So now you're going to install the intake tube and slide it into the airbox. So we're going to tighten down this hose clamp at the throttle body and then reconnect all the fittings and install the air filter. So some vehicles experience minor surging or stalling from the forced air from the grill inlet, so we provide you with this foam diffuser that you'll just install at the inlet, and it should diffuse the air. All right guys, so that is it. It is a super quick install. If you have any questions, you just want to know more, you can always check it out on our website, and I'll see you next time.